Today I'm going to be sharing with you all everything I got from my first Joann haul. Let's get started. Hi everyone, my name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. I am a sewing content creator and pattern designer for Know Me Patterns. I'm sure we all have heard the news that Joann's is closing. I made my first trip there to kind of get the things that I really wanted to have, and that was denim and interfacing. I was very happy with my haul, so let's go ahead and get started. Here's my receipt here. It's not that long. It's not a CVS receipt, okay? It's not a CVS receipt. But I did go ahead and get some projects for upcoming patterns and upcoming sew-alongs. I will be using a lot of denim, so I went ahead and, got that. And also if I saw something that was cute that I liked, I grabbed that as well. So the first one right here is not a denim. It is a navy cotton double gauze. I got 4.5 yards of this fabric. I purchased this because I do have a sew-along coming up from my spring pattern. My Know Me spring pattern will be coming out, I think, April 1st. So I went ahead and got the fabric that I would like to use in my sew along for that. I love working with gauze in the spring and summertime. I think every year I make something out of gauze. I think last year I made something out of the Kelly green. I used the purple gauze. So this year I'm using the navy. The next one up here, this is a 7-ounce blue denim. This one right here was in 2 cuts. So one part of it was already cut on the bolt. I just went ahead and got all of it. One of the cuts is just under 2.5 and the other one is 2.25. So I went ahead and got all of that. I have 2 long sleeve denim dresses that I'll be sewing up for fall. So that is why I went ahead and got this fabric here. So again, some 7-ounce denim. Next one, this floral denim, I thought it was so fun. I did not want to leave it. So this one right here is a printed floral. This is a 7-ounce denim, and I got just a little over 3 yards of it. So I was so happy that it was like 3 yards on the bolt. I wasn't sure. I still would have got it, but I'm happy that it's 3 yards because I can, do a little bit more with it. I don't know what I want to make with this one. This one is definitely one that I saw and I thought was cute, and I was like, I want it. But I don't actually have a project in mind. Whatever I make with it, I have to be careful because I don't want it to look, too kitty. I want it to be nice and cute. And I can't even, if I make this for Justice, she won't wear it because she's not into flowers. I bought her a flower like zipper little jacket hoodie. She won't even wear it. I'm gonna have to just pass that down, to the next cousin or donate it to someone else. But I love these little flowers. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. Whatever I make with it though, I have to be spot on because if it's too kitty, I probably won't wear it. So let me know if you have any ideas on what I should make with the floral denim down in the comments. Again, this is a 7-ounce denim and I have a little over 3 yards of it. The next fabric that I got was 1.5 yards of this ivory Sherpa. I got this because I have 2 jackets that I need to make. This is going to be like the collar, the armband, and the hemband of the jacket. So went ahead and grabbed this. Again, this is just 1.5 yards of ivory Sherpa. I also got 6 yards of this 12-ounce dark wash denim. I'm going to use this fabric here to make 2 jackets, and then the Sherpa would be, like I said, the collar, the neckband, and the hemband. So went ahead and got this because I don't want to play around when it's time for the sew along and the pattern and all that. I just want to have what I need. So I got that. The last 2 things I grabbed was interfacing. Went ahead and got the whole bolt. This one right here is 20 yards of the EK130 Easy Knit, and this one right here, EK130 Easy Knit, and this is 15 yards on this boat. And I also got a tote bag. I got this because all they have are like those thank you bags, and I was like, there's no way I'm walking out this store with all these thank you bags in my hand. No, let me just go ahead and get one of these reusable totes. So that's what I did. So that there was my first trip to Joann's and my first haul. Again, I went there because I wanted to get denim. I wanted to get interfacing, and I already knew I had upcoming projects, so I wanted to go ahead and get the fabric that I needed for those. I don't see myself going back there until the prices have went down significantly. I feel like right now it's basically just like a regular sale, at least in my store. My store, the fabric was at 20% off. I would probably return once it's around 50, 60, 70. I hope it gets down to that. I've seen some people that say their whole bolt was $8. Like, That's what I'm trying to get. You know what I'm saying? Give me the $8 bolt of fabric. Like, that's what I want. I'm gonna wait for the prices to drop before I do another haul. With that being said, this was not a haul. I did go back, but it wasn't a haul. Hear me out, hear me out. I had to kill time, okay? I had to kill time. I was waiting for Jerome. I had to kill some time. I saw this denim. That was it. That was all I got. It's not a haul. It was one fabric, okay? That was it. I'm not going back. I will say that I am one that is really sad that Joann's is closing. I typically would go to Joann's when I had a sew along or pattern, you know, that was coming up and I needed fabric for. And when I went there, I would, you know, see what was new, see what was in season. And I'll probably, you know, kind of do, I won't say a haul, but I'll probably get, you know, maybe 2 or 3 fabrics to add to the stash for upcoming projects that I would want to sew. So it's going to be sad not having them. I will say for like last minute thread or a zipper, I'm actually closer to 2 Walmarts and a Hobby Lobby. So those were kind of my quick pit stops, you know, to kind of grab those things. The Joann's was a little bit further for me, but nevertheless, I would still miss, you know, having them as an option. So that makes me really sad. As far as moving forward, shopping for fabrics, I'm definitely going to be online. There is a Fine Fabrics here in Atlanta, and I've went once or twice. It's very overwhelming. It's very, very overwhelming for me. So I would kind of have to figure out my shopping and plan that out before I go in there, because it's really, really overwhelming. It's just so much. So much. And even with online shopping, I need to plan that out, because it's not, the fabric's not going to come the next day. So I need to do more planning and, you know, be more thoughtful with my project, so that way I can go ahead and order the fabric and notions and things that I need ahead of time to allow for everything to get here. But with that being said, that's my first haul. Again, it's not the last. I will definitely be back. I'm just waiting for the prices to go down, and then I'm going. Well, that is all for the video, and I really do hope that you all enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you are notified when my videos are up, when I am live. I am live here on Thursdays unless I have an emergency and I can't make it. I will be here at 12 p.m. on Thursdays live doing a Sew in 30. So definitely make sure that you are following, have your notifications on so that you're notified when I'm live. Until next time, blessings everyone. Bye.